now I'm gonna do parasailing, so I'm preparing for that. I'm a little bit scared, confused also. I don't know what's gonna happen if I die in water. Okay. Ow. But I'm just now I'm gonna go down in water, and I'm really scared because water is my favorite thing, but even then I'm scared. But please God, stay with me. पानी मुझे नीचे
अपना राइट वाला पाँव पर, राइट वाला पाँव राइट वाला, सिर्फ राइट वाला पाँव
कैसे रखूं?
सीधा पाँव इधर।
Well, lifetime achievement. Parasailing was amazing, but inshallah one day I will do paragliding also and jumping from a plane also. I hope so. Back. Oh my God, it was amazing. I really felt better. Oh God. I hope I always feel like this whenever I'm taking breaths.